Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Conrad kes sangma Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya hakar po hunyo tere jemmang arja arpun reo ula Pynbna baka sarkar hi kala pensange elut ya baro ki jing tmu tmai ban Leit bari jong u da ka babut renti ya ki jing Bthah jong Narendra Modi Menteri Rangba do kari India. Kumban sukado bo Menteri Rangba do kari India ula Bthah ban Pynbna kat bala ya ka jing pulut pisa sarkar da ka bakyar nakikam Leit shabari. Halor ki jing sngokia halor ki jing Leit bari ki badang yai beteng wat Hadien ki jing kerpa jong Modi Conrad ula pensyai badai tang ki program ki bala depan yo jing menjur nado ki banai ki bala Leit no ki bala sya ban ya chakman ula ong bakini ki program ki dei ki bala depan yo ya ka political clearance na ka sarkar pedang batru ka jing menjur halor ka jing lut jing sap haswa ba ka jing Bthah jong Narendra Modi kan mi pajba.
The trips that were cleared politically as well as financially before the Prime Minister's announcement, those programs went through because, as you know, programs take about 3 months, 4 months, sometimes 6 months to prepare. So these are programs that were already there in the pipeline, and hence some of the teams are outside and they have gone because the process was done. The bookings were made, the expenditures were incurred, and as I said, this political clearances were given by Centre also, and this process happened. So, post Prime Minister's announcement, any new proposals that are coming in for any kind of a trip outside are not being entertained, and in fact, I have personally put on hold every single trip outside. And though we have not come out with any notification, but I'm very clear that we have to go as per Prime Minister's direction, and this is in the larger interest, as I said, of the nation, and therefore we have, as I said, I have stopped all the foreign trips in the past post Prime Minister's announcement. The ones before that, as I said, have been cleared, so those obviously went through because already the process was already finalized. But after his announcement, any new proposal that has come for any kind of a foreign trip has been put on hold. So those are the ones that were there, that has been prepared for the last 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, way before Honorable Prime Minister has thing. The bookings have been made during that time. The political clearances have been taken from Government of India. The necessary arrangements on the other side to discuss with the governments concerned from there have been taken. So those trips were already cleared before Prime Minister gave that announcement. But after he gave the announcement and he has asked states not to, send delegations, we have not cleared anyone. So I have received about close to 7-8 new proposals for thing. All of them have been put on hold.
Hadien, page bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam Ktah ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya